Today we're going to talk about the Ohlone Tribe. What did they eat? Because of their location near the ocean, the Ohlone people ate lots of shellfish, such as mussels and abalone, for food. You can see in the picture the inside of the abalone shell. The inside is the part that they would eat. Sometimes they hunted sea lions along the beach. They even ate whales if they found a whale had washed ashore. In the river, they caught fish and eels using nets and fish traps. In the picture, you can see them using a net to catch the fish. Sometimes the Ohlone people would build bonfires along the river at night, which attracted the fish to come close enough so that the people could use spears to catch them. A spear is like a big, long stick with a knife on the end. So how do you think they would capture those fish with a spear? The Ohlone people also used nets and traps to catch ducks and geese to eat. Sometimes they would throw a string with bones attached to knock birds down out of the sky. The Ohlone people also ate many land animals, including deer, grizzly bears, elk, antelope, mountain lions, dogs, skunks, raccoons, rabbits, squirrels, and mice. Sometimes they even ate insects, such as grasshoppers, caterpillars, and wasps. Acorns, seeds, and nuts were important plant food for the Ohlone. They also ate berries, wild grapes, onions, and carrots. The Ohlone people even made a type of juice by mashing the berries of the manzanita bush. In the pictures, you can see wild acorns growing, wild grapes growing, onions growing in the ground, and the manzanita berries from the manzanita bush. And now you know what the Ohlone people ate. What do you think? Would you want to eat any of those foods?